Sublimation reaches greater heights with Siser EasySubli matte heat transfer vinyl and specially optimized EasySubli ink by Sawgrass, the industry leader in desktop sublimation. Together with a Sawgrass Virtuoso sublimation printer, you can sublimate your garments like never before, as EasySubli finally brings in cotton, color, and dark garments to the table. All that's needed left is a vinyl cutter with contour cutting support and a heat press to apply EasySubli HTV. If you already have a craft cutter and heat press, you're that much closer to getting started with EasySubli. When pressing a printed EasySubli transfer, be sure to set your temperature to 311 degrees Fahrenheit, time to 15 seconds, and the pressure to medium. EasySubli is a perfect addition for HTV users interested in getting started with sublimation or those looking to expand their sublimation offerings. All of these products are available at heatpressnation.com.